In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover junk mail in Outlook. Sometimes important emails end up in the junk folder by mistake, but with just a few clicks you can move them back to your inbox. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Outlook login page. Click Sign In, enter your email and password, and if prompted, verify your identity with two-factor authentication. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Outlook dashboard. Click on Mail to open your inbox. Now look at the left-hand menu and select the Junk Email folder. This is where Outlook sends emails it thinks are spam. Scroll through the list or use the search bar if needed and find the email you want to recover. Right-click on it. Choose Move To, and then select Inbox. Head back to your inbox, and you'll see the email sitting safely where it belongs. And that's it. You've successfully recovered an email from the junk folder in Outlook. For an extra tip, if emails from the same sender keep landing in junk, add them to your safe senders list so it doesn't happen again. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Outlook tutorials.